today's project is gonna be installing a door sweep like this one, because I want to put it right here on my door, and I'm gonna show you that this moment. Let me flip this over. I want to use it for this patio door. As you can see, there is an opening on the left side of the door, and the problem is that we have seen a lot of bugs coming inside the patio from the outside, and also the grass grows and work their way in to the patio. So that's why I bought this, that we're gonna put it over there. It's gonna be touching the ground a little bit, so we seal it so nothing else will come in. Alright, so let's cut it and install it. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is, using the scissors, we're gonna cut that part right there. We're gonna cut that, and then we're gonna cut here the rubber, okay, and then we cut the metal with a handsaw. Okay, alright, so that's the extra piece that we don't need. As you can see, you can do this and cut the piece that you don't need. And now we're gonna cut the frame, the metal there. We already did the same thing on this side, okay? And we're gonna cut right here. All right, give me a second. After I measured the whole thing, I need 35 inches in length from here to here. So it's almost 1/4 of an inch on this side that I need to remove, and here almost 1/2 inch. Alright, let's do it. Alright, this is what I'm gonna use to cut the piece that I don't need. Okay, so the first part, one of the corners is done. So now I'm cutting the second corner right there. Alright, so another maybe couple of minutes and should be done. Alright, so we are ready to drill the holes on the door so we can attach the door sweep. Okay, and we're going to be using a 1/8 bit. Alright, let's do it. Yep, so you can see I put the screws in there. We have 4 screws. Okay, my cat is moving away. That's good, thank you. Come on. And you can see the rubber is going all the way down to the ground, so nothing will come in here anymore. So okay, the project is done. I hope you like it, and it's very easy to do. It will take not too long, and it's very simple, only a few tools, and that's it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.